Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming a backup and where media is stored, because that determines if a deleted photo can be retrieved. Open the chat now, tap the contact or group name, then choose Media, Links, and Docs to scan visible images. Make sure you also check your phone gallery and the file manager path WhatsApp/media/WhatsApp images. Sometimes the file remains on device even after deletion in chat. Once done, note the message timestamp and backup date before moving on. Next, you compare the backup date to the photo's timestamp to see if the image was included in the last backup. If the backup predates the photo, it won't help. If it's newer or equal, you can restore. Use File Manager to inspect WhatsApp/media subfolders and look for thumbnails or the actual JPG. Sometimes the app deletes the chat entry but leaves the file. When you find the file, copy it to a separate folder so you don't lose it during any restore or reinstall actions. Finally, if your backup includes the deleted photo, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, verify your number, and accept the restore prompt to recover messages and media. If there's no suitable backup, you finish by retrieving the copied file from WhatsApp/media or asking the sender to resend the image. If something goes wrong, make sure your backup account is correct. Automatic backups are enabled, and WhatsApp has storage permissions. This single check often fixes recovery failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.